it's Rebecca. Welcome to How to Diamond Paint. This is for the absolute beginner. And today we're going to work on a crystal diamond painting by Treasure Studios Art. Um, this is called Change. That's the name of the painting. The artist is Rachel Froud. You can get this painting or a similar painting. Rachel Froud does a lot of animals. On the website, um, the link is down in the description. If you follow that link and you use the code Rebecca15, you can get a discount of your purchase over $40. But I want to show you how I work with crystals. Now, I've already diamond painted some of this painting. So I have not sectioned this painting off. So we're not going to talk about sectioning a painting. We're going to talk about here's the painting, here's the canvas. I've just taken this out of the box. I've got my tool kit. I don't even have this on here. I've got my painting, I've got my toolkit, and I've got my bags of drills. Similar to this. I've got my bags of drills. So I'm going to take out one bag of drills. I am going to open my toolkit. Now, with crystal, it's really no different than painting a round painting. Crystals are round. They are 2.8 millimeter, same as most companies' rounds. Now, rounds with Treasure Studios art are 2.5 millimeters, but the crystals are the regular 2.8 millimeters. So not anything you need to concern yourself with. So what you do is you have a tray. So that's what we're going to pour our diamonds into. We've got a pen. It has a multi-placer, but if you're new to diamond painting, I would not worry yet about the multi-placer. That's way down the line. You've got pink tweezers that you can use if you place a diamond somewhere where you don't think it was meant to be. You can pick those up and you can put them somewhere else, the diamond. So you've got that. You've got some other placers. You've got a squishy. So let's put the squishy on our pen. So we've got our pen, we've got our wax. So just peel back this wax. There's a little plastic cover on the wax. Just kind of peel that back a little bit. Take your pen and you just poke it into the wax. Turn it a little bit. You want to load the pen with the wax. It does have some other placers as well. We're not going to worry about those multi-placers right now. So we've got our pen, we've got our wax, we've put the wax into the pen. Did it go in the pen? Yeah, the wax is in the pen. Okay, we're going to pour some diamonds into our tray. This color is 600, so I want to look on the chart, the DMC number right here. You see 600. My camera's not focusing. Hold on. Anyway, you can see that that is 600. So we're going to look at our schematic here. You have a schematic right on the side. And this is basically how you diamond paint. Look at your schematic. The key, some people call it a key. It has 1 through 18. A lot of people will kit this up. They don't like the diamonds that come in the bags, so they'll take those bags and they'll put them into another container. You really don't need to do that. Everything you need is right in the box in the toolkit. So what we want to do is we want to find 600. So 600 is right here, and it's this little symbol right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to look on the canvas for that little symbol. And luckily for us, there's a lot of it here. Then you're just going to peel back the plastic, and Treasure Studios has a very heavy plastic. So you just peel that plastic back. Now, if you have something that will hold it, like a cover minder, and these are cover minders, they have magnets on the back or on the floor, and it'll hold your plastic back for you, but it's not really necessary. If you've got everything you need right here. So I'm going to put some diamonds in my container. Now, I've put them into the little white boat that comes in the thing. And what I'm going to do is just shake it very lightly. Just give it a little shake. You just want those diamonds to fill into those little ridges that are in the tray so that you're able to pick them up with your pen. See how they're kind of falling into place there in the tray? And then if you want, you can just kind of lean it a little just to get them lined up. See, now you're kind of ready to go there. That takes a little practice. So now we've got our pen and we are ready to diamond paint. So you just, wherever you saw that symbol, which is right here, that is where you're going to put your crystal diamond. Now the thing about crystals that you got to remember is you're getting extra diamonds. In other words, you'll get more diamonds than you need to complete this painting. And one of the reasons is every now and then in the manufacture of these crystal diamonds, the diamonds will kind of flip itself. These are clear acrylic with a silver coated background. I don't know if you can see that. Some of them have the silver, flat silver on the back. Every now and then that will be reversed. And so those diamonds you just have to discard. Yeah, so we're just going to keep going, and wherever we see that symbol, and you don't have to worry, like, is it going to line up? It'll line up. If you put it right down on top of that symbol so that you don't see that symbol anymore, all you see is that beautiful crystal diamond that you just put on the canvas. And you are diamond painting. It is that easy, folks. You've got the wax, you got the crystals, you got the tray. Have a great time, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.